Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Mi Mix 2S, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store and type Magic Fluids. Then you need to download this app from this developer. Now open it. Click at the bottom right corner, choose Settings and click I accept. Over here you can customize your wallpaper however you want to. When you're done, click at the top one right corner, then bottom one again and choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Click on Set Wallpaper and decide if you want to see it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of the options. Now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!